Avoid technologies like in our day-to-day lives, so you have to be able to understand and be able to.
I think it helps you like in the future because of where the life is going. It's really into AI and technology.
Start early. Start early as you possibly can and start creating and building things and building your portfolio. Learn these skills so that when you get to the job space, you've got years of kind of experience and things to showcase.
My favorite subject is natural science because science, and I really do enjoy studying about the plants, the chemicals, because the career I want to pursue is chemical engineering.
I want to become a computer scientist. Specifically, I like data science and AI engineering.
I like to become a pilot. It will help me to use it in pilot, like how to use a computer and everything.
Going through TechWays, it makes me more to learn about computers. Basically, I didn't know any basic thing of a computer, how to use Word, Excel, what was Python even about. But doing TechWays has made me improve on that, and it makes me to learn.
The program really makes it simple for beginners to digest, and it's really not that hard.
And it provides a stable foundation to tech and web design. So it's like it is very helpful when it comes to like Word, Intro, Excel. It's very good because whatever career you go into, you're going to need that.
Parent myself, and we often don't realize how amazing our kids, or what our kids can actually do. And we see, I've got grade 8 learners, 11-year-old learners building websites from scratch. The stuff that our kids can do is phenomenal. We just need to give them opportunities to show.